While the world sleeps, robots protect our crops. Instead of spraying chemicals, they use ultraviolet light. UVC damages microbes without leaving chemical residue. Light becomes a powerful physical tool against disease. The farm works through the night, completely autonomously. Less chemical spraying, more precision. The future of farming may be powered by light.